Hi guys, welcome back to my Myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to make a trending hairband. I will be needing this lycra fabric and taper. So guys, for this trending hairband, this is the length of the material you'll be needing. This is 22 inches by 8 inches, 22 inches by 8 inches. Meanwhile, this is a stretchy fabric. It's stretchy. So the next thing you want to do after measuring is to fold your fabric like so. You stitch from this end to this end. When that is done, you turn your fabric inside out. And the next thing you are going to do is to iron it. So you make sure this part that I stitch will be at the middle this way, then you give it a good press. So guys, when you are done ironing, you can see the part that I stitch is in the middle. So you want to do is just to flip your fabric this way and you bring it together like this. So this top part, you take it to the side and push it under. Now that's the one on the in front. Now look at the way it is. Push it to the side and put it under this way. Then this one that is remaining, put it to the front. Then you go to your machine and stitch straight down. So guys, once I am done stitching, this is what it looks like. So I'll trim these parts off a bit. Because I don't want it to be bulging out when I turn it. So when that is done, you can also trim the corners. So guys, when you are done cutting out, you turn this headband inside out. This is how your headband should look after you have turned it inside out. See how beautiful and it looks. Please like this video, subscribe, comment your opinion about this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next tutorial.